Hello, I'm attorney Kevin Johnson with Invictus Legal Group. I practice in criminal defense, DUI, bankruptcy, divorce, family law. Today I want to talk to you about 1099-Cs and discharge of bankruptcy debt. I get asked this all the question, what's the point of filing bankruptcy if I'm just going to get taxed on that? It's a great question, even better concern. First off, we need to understand the differences of what we're talking about here. If you receive a 1099-C, that is generally for cancellation of debt, which is different from what happens in bankruptcy. Cancellation of debt means, let's say you owe a creditor $20,000. They offer to sell it for $7,000. You quickly come up with the money, you pay the $7,000. What happens to that $13,000? Well, the creditor will write it off. And when he writes it off, they are required to file what's called a 1099-C with the IRS and send you one. A 1099-C basically says you don't have to pay this $13,000. That means you got $13,000 in extra income that you don't have to spend. So now you're getting taxed on that. So not only did you have to pay the $7,000 to the creditor, now you owe Uncle Sam additional for your taxes, whatever your tax rate is. A discharge in bankruptcy is different. What a discharge of your debt is, it's not a forgiveness of debt, it's not a cancellation of debt. It is the federal court system saying you no longer owe this debt by the power of the court. Under bankruptcy law, a discharge debt is not a taxable event. That means you will not receive a 1099-C and you do not have to pay any taxes on it. That is the advantage of filing bankruptcy over a debt settlement. Some people do occasionally get a 1099-C for the discharge debt. If that happens to you, talk to your tax professional right away. They can take care of it. If you don't have one, give me a call. Be happy to refer one to you that'd be able to help you and understand the bankruptcy game. So what I want you to take away from this video is to understand that if you're to file bankruptcy, you will not be taxed on the debt that is discharged through bankruptcy. You will not receive a 1099-C. You do not have to pay any additional income. If you settle the debt on your own, you will have to pay the taxes on it. You will receive a 1099-C. For more information, visit my website at www.invictuslegalgroup.com for more information. I've written plenty of bankruptcy articles on there, and if you want more information on 1099-C and bankruptcy, please visit that website. There is an article on it. If you want more information in bankruptcy in general, I offer a free consultation and I have night and weekend appointments available. I also have offices in Mount Clemens, Troy, Southfield, Novi, Bloomfield Hills, and Livonia. So if you're in Macomb County, call me at 586-439-4297. That's in Macomb County. It's 586-439-4297. If you live at Oakland County, please give me a call at 248-581-0598. Again, in Oakland County, 248-581-0598. Just let me know you want to set up your free consultation. We'll sit down, we'll talk about your situation, we'll decide which chapter to file under, and whether bankruptcy is an option for you. Thank you.